other trick is I don't know whether the 7300's got a monitor circuit in it. You put the headphones into the front of the radio, switch and all of a sudden you can hear your own audio. Don't do what I do. Don't pull the headphones out of the speaker. Forget you left the monitor switch on and, squeal everybody out of the frequency. That's not, it's not good practice. It's, Okay, 2-8, Tony. I forgot we missed you on the last round. Apologies for K2O in it.
No comment, Aaron.
Haven't missed any, and I've been learning too much. So as you've been talking, I've been downloading service manuals for all the different radios you're talking about, and the instruction manuals and so on, and trying to keep up with what's been going on. So yeah, learning lots. Very good, very happy. Back to you. Back to the grid. K2 Alpha Golf.
You take it, Jay.
Yeah, okay, Aaron.
Okay.